back to the Soul of Kai. So today's video, yeah, I'm not going to be making bows or anything. That was one of my ideas that I had for one of my first videos. But I mean, yeah, I still need you to keep leaving comments for what to do, because there wasn't really on my last video because I have nobody, but now I have 4 views on my last video. Happy. But I'm just basically hiking around in this video. Gonna be videoing the aspins and stuff. It's gonna be pretty cool. So here we go. Nice fall day. Beautiful day in Colorado, and with Sophie walking around. But yeah, I mean, winter isn't really my favorite time because I mean, it's snowy. I mean, I like the snow, it's kind of fun, but where I live, there's a lot of snow. It just gets, and it's really too much. But yeah, so, just beautiful. Okay, so we just found this really cool little tree that seemed really old, but we're going up to it now. This thing is crazy. Let me just zoom in. Whoa.
Isn't that the one that smells nice?
This is a giant pine. This is pretty small, pretty giant compared to me. And this is Annie. She's also doing her YouTube stuff, or videoing stuff. Well,
Give this tree a hug.
it's a pretty big tree. But yeah.
It smells like butterscotch.
Hello, Annie. You taking some videos of the river? Say hi, cameras.
Hello, cameras. I'm like, hello, cameras.
Hashtag nature in the hashtag nature down below in the comments. Walk along. For me, this is gonna be like 5 minutes. For you, this is gonna be like 5 seconds. Hey, Sophie. What you doing? Walking around? Coming up to the river. You can see, I think. There we go. There's the river back right around here. We're gonna be going up to the river in a second in a way better place. If you can realize, my tripod is way sturdier because I have an actual tripod right now I'm on, but beautiful. I love the river. And the ocean, sorry for that. Bumping on the head, moving along. Oh, right here. I'm gonna go over to Annie. Well, that did not go as planned. It was actually more like 10 minutes instead of just 5 minutes to get up here, because I lost my tripod case, but I found it, so that's good. But here it is. It's a beautiful place. It's quiet, nice, but yeah. Sorry if you hear me coughing a lot. It's just that I was getting over sickness. I'll try to cover the mic a little bit, my cough. walking all the way up here. It's way deeper. It's annoying because people leave fishing stuff up here, like just baits and stuff up in the water, but I mean, so you have to be careful with your feet and stuff, but otherwise it's really nice up here. It's nice. It's really actually kind of nice to swim in. I mean, it's really cold, but it's nice. I'm gonna go back to Annie and see what she's doing, but yeah, up here is pretty nice, warm-ish water. I can't actually call it warm because, yeah, but it's beautiful. There's Annie filming. Can you see her? I bet you can't see her. Now you can. Let me just turn up my brightness a little bit. I don't want it too overexposed, but well, we'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna sit down and get comfortable, and well, we are having to head down because there is the lightning and the thunder, so I mean, there's not lightning yet, but we know it's gonna happen, and we're by water, and we don't really want to get struck by lightning, so we're heading down. I wish we could hang out up here longer. It's been really fun actually up here, but I'll probably come up here again and video it and stuff, and do some stuff and have a fun time. But for this video, I'm just gonna basically say goodbye right now-ish, but I mean, I will see you when I get back down. So one thing else I have to tell you, I'm gonna keep filming after this, but yeah, but you should go check out the website Wild Brilliance, because soon, that's not my website, but it is Annie's website, and I am going to be putting some stuff on there. So I mean, if you go check that out, you'll be able to find some of my stuff, and you'll also be able to find some of her stuff, which she's doing she has some really cool stuff that she's putting on there. Or I'm not gonna tell you but what we're doing, but it's pretty cool, and I think you'll like it. So go over there. You'll see stuff. You'll see stuff that is from me and from her, but yeah, I hope we'll see you over there. Well, we're going back. The trail right there. Still not all the way down. We still have some to go, but that was up and beautiful, but really nice. But whoa, see you again. Whoa, yeah, that is just really crazy. Hi. Fun nature. Hashtag nature is super beautiful. Beautiful. Everybody do that down in the comments. Well, we are finally back to the car. And we are in the parking lot, hanging out. I just almost stepped on a snake. That video might be included or might not be included. I don't really know. I might have not really videoed it. I couldn't really tell, but yeah. Well, I'll see you next video. And I will hope, and I am gonna be making videos. I'm hoping to to start making more videos and making more like a weekly video. Either 1 or 2 videos a week on Colorado time. I guess that would be maybe Mountain Standard Time. I don't really know. Just look up what time frame Colorado is on. But yeah. And so I will be seeing you soon in another video. So goodbye. Go check out if you want like to go, just leave something in the comments of what video idea I should do next, and I might use it. So, and your comment might be chosen. So, yeah. Well, I will see you next time, and have a good day, rest of your day, and goodbye.